Well, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. In this video, I'm going to take you through all of my recent moves in the portfolios, added some new assets to one of the portfolios, and what I'm looking at for the rest of the week, crypto and stock-wise. If you guys could smash the like button to support the channel, that would be phenomenal. So let's get into it. Today, the main stock account was up $895. So sitting at $275,000. For today's main movers, we had Amazon with a nice day, up 2.2%, Palantir up 1%, Tesla down 4%, Shopify up 4%, CrowdStrike down 2%, and Meta up 1%. Cash is still in the negative. I'm currently using 3,100 of margin. No moves in this particular account. Palantir has now reclaimed the second largest position with the down move by Tesla today. Overall, just very pleased with everything in the portfolio now. Not looking to get rid of any of these positions anytime soon. Since my last video, this was actually prior to Snow earnings, I believe, or maybe right after. Actually, it was right before because I wasn't sure how they were going to perform the next day. But this account is now actually looking really good. I did take out I removed all of the cash. That way I can buy some more crypto. So there's no more cash in this account. I'm exclusively holding the Snow Leaps. So these leaps are now sitting really pretty. The 110 calls are now up 135%. For a $4,100 profit so far, and then the 120 leaps are up 129% for a $3,700 gain. So very pleased with these two leaps. The way I got into these was based on a weekly MACD crossover, which is one of my favorite technical indicators. So now I'm actually looking to start to sell some cover calls against these two leap contracts. If they're up tomorrow, I'll definitely look to sell some sell some cover calls on these tomorrow, because we're now up near like the 80 RSI, so definitely reaching some overbought territory on Snow. But I'm going to be careful with these because I think that Snow is a stock that a lot of Wall Street wants to be in. So these runs can sort of keep going and just incrementally move up. And then kind of take a pause and then continue to go. So I'm going to be definitely careful with these leaps. I'll probably sell one at a time instead of doing both at once in case I get myself in trouble. So the little Robinhood is looking good. Crypto portfolios down 571, sitting at 214,000. I did make a new addition to this portfolio today, and that was Aether. So Aether is also in the AI narrative, which is going to be the strongest narrative, in my opinion, of this crypto bull run. And so I just wanted to move down the risk curve a little bit when it comes to adding in some smaller tokens that can outperform some of the larger tokens. So what I did was take 10,000 from BitTensor. I've not actually entered this in yet, but so I took 5,000 out of BitTensor, so now that one's sitting at like 11,400, and then I put the 5,000 into Aether. That way Aether should significantly outperform BitTensor, and so it allows me to allocate that money towards something that's going to have many more multiples in it, but still leaving the majority of this portfolio in those larger coins that have smaller upside, but also, less downside. I did recently add to Dog with Hat. I added some more to that. I recently added some more to Fetch. I added more to Beam, and that's it. So every single one of these positions is now up significantly. So my cost basis into this is about 160,000. So this portfolio is up, 55,000. So that's been a nice position. If we just look at this portfolio as just crypto as a whole, it's definitely, my largest position and also my largest gain of anything on the entire portfolio. So definitely feeling good on how this has been going so far. And then lastly, for near-term expiring options, with the down move on Tesla, we're now back in the green on Tesla, just slightly, 0.89%. So I might take those off just if Tesla looks like it's going to keep running. But I also feel pretty comfortable with the 350 level. So maybe I'll take one off and then leave one to run. I'm thinking that's probably what I'll do if tomorrow is another down day. So we'll see with that one. The only other near-term expiring is the Microsoft 390 calls on December 6th. So I'll roll those out to probably February and move that up to 395. And then that's it. Celsius is out to January. CrowdStrike is out to January. And the Palantirs are out to February, as well as late December. And then Shopify is also mid-December. So nothing super short-term besides Tesla for me to manage. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm definitely, like I said, not doing too many options, not doing too much options selling right now, just because I'm so focused on just capital appreciation and the opportunity I see in the crypto space over the next 6 months, possibly up to 11 to 12 months even. And so I'm not going to put myself in a bad position of getting stuck in an options contract and locking up some buying power that could be very useful to me for buying any dips in the crypto market. So not going to be too many updates as far as making options moves, unless they're just very obvious moves, as far as taking advantage of extreme oversold or extreme overbought conditions. But I'll definitely continue to update you guys as far as the crypto portfolio, anything I add or subtract, and then anything else on my mind as far as how I'm managing the Snow Leaps. I'm actually considering, in a best case scenario, those just continue to go up, and then the 1st of January on 2026, just actually buying all of those shares. So just exercising the option, buying the 200 shares, and then hopefully Snow, is sitting above 200, maybe 250 at that point, and I get to collect, 100 shares at 110 and 100 shares at 120. So definitely I'm trying not to ruin that opportunity by selling some calls too soon. So it'll be interesting to showcase that on the channel because I've never bought Leaps before, really. Definitely have never held Leaps long term like that. So I've done a few of them, just quick flips for profit, but this will be my first long-term Leap hold with Snow. So excited to keep you guys updated. Hopefully everyone's having a great Thanksgiving week. As always, I will see you guys later on. And as always, take care and God bless.